Hey guys and dolls, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason, and today we are going to be reviewing NIO. We can see up on the screen that we did have a big sell-off in the share price. I'm going to hit you guys straight out with the charts. Now NIO is sitting around $46.50 at the time that I'm making this video, and tomorrow we have our NIO earnings. Now you guys know a lot of the NIO share prices before earnings have usually seen a run up, as we see here, and then we have a minor sell-off, but this is the complete opposite case because the Nasdaq was down, the S&P 500 was down, and this is all due to the yield treasury bonds and inflation fears moving into the end of this year and into 2022. I have just watched a full interview with Cathy, and I can reassure you that this is nothing to worry about. This is all short-term temperamental noise. So I believe that NIO is actually going to absolutely smash their deliveries as expected, because they continue to do this month in and month out. We are going to then see a further push in the share price. Now I do want to bring some really important news into your attention while I have you guys in this video. If I actually go over to bar chart here, you guys can see up on my screen that we have the NIO expirations for 2022 in January, and the volumes on this, guys, for the $100 strike call is absolutely insane. We've got 12,700, so a lot of people are betting that this time next year that NIO will be above $100. Now I've not seen many plays like this far out for $100. This is very, very new to my eyes, so this is really good news for us as NIO investors, because a lot of people seem to be thinking that this stock is going to absolutely soar moving into the coming decade ahead. So I'm really excited. NIO is one of my highest holdings in my portfolio, and I will continue to tell you guys on this channel how bullish I am on this stock moving forward. They are just in their infancy. We are not yet profitable, and this company is going to absolutely dominate. They are in China, which is one of the largest market caps in the world. You guys know how important that is for a company like NIO. And as I move into the video, if you guys could do me a huge favor, hit that big red subscribe button below and join us, this family of investors, while we make money together. And if you find value, do be sure to smash that like button below, because I love getting this content out for you guys and new investors. My name is Jason, and I make videos on the stock market every day. Now, as you guys know, NIO is expanding globally into Europe this year, and they do have plans to extend into the US market. If you guys want more information about that, then be sure to click on the video that is above, where I do go into a full breakdown as to why that is. Now, their CEO, William Lee of NIO, has said that by the end of 2021, guys, they are going to be having a capacity of 150,000 vehicles, and by the year of 2022, NIO is expected to have 300,000 vehicles in deliveries. Guys, this is a 3 times multiple from their 2020 deliveries. So you can imagine how this is going to push the share price of NIO forward. We are going to absolutely catapult, and this short-term volatility in the market, in my opinion, is a full buying opportunity. We are not going to see these prices for NIO moving into the future, in my opinion, and I believe that NIO is going to be a triple-digit stock. So I am so excited with opportunities when we do have market corrections and dips in the share price of NIO, because that allows me as an investor to purchase those shares at a cheaper price, essentially seeing as if NIO is on sale, so that when the price does actually go up and we pick up the momentum and the steam into the coming year ahead, and NIO starts to pick up those delivery numbers, and we have that global expansion into the US hopefully, and also into Europe, we will see a push into that share price and that lovely gain on our account as we start to capitalize on those profits moving forward. Now, NIO are in one of the biggest market caps in the world, which is China, which is 1.42 billion people. As you guys are sure to know, I do mention that a lot about NIO on this channel. The reason why I'm so bullish on NIO is because of one of those factors, and that is why NIO are going to absolutely dominate, because if they can expand into Europe, and they are already dominating in one of the biggest market caps in the world, then we can see just how big this company's potential is. Banks such as JP Morgan have actually upped their price targets on NIO to $75 by the end of this year. Now, I think that is a very conservative estimate, and I believe that this company is going to absolutely smash that target out the water. this company continued to deliver and promise an outstanding delivery number of their vehicles every single quarter. Guys, this company just a few years ago was only producing a few hundred vehicles, and now they are producing more than 7,000 per month. This company is going to absolutely tear up in the electrical vehicle markets, in my opinion, moving forward. Now, as we have seen a really rocky month in March, and we did see a lot of volatility due to the Nasdaq selling off and the S&P 500. Cathie Wood believes that this is a good thing because a lot of people are actually taking their money out of those high growth stocks and they are putting them back into value plays. But what that is going to do is when innovation challenges the future moving forward, people will start to realize that they want to invest back into innovation, and we are then going to see a further surge into those high conviction growth stocks such as NIO, because a lot of the people right now have taken their money away in fear of inflation and put them into value traps. Now guys, this is going to be really good for us as investors, because in the long term we are going to see those big explosive moves on NIO as the investors start to move their money away from those value traps and they start to reallocate their money into disruptive innovation. Now that was the words of Cathie Wood herself. I did watch an interview this weekend that she had just released, and that does make me extremely excited as a NIO investor. This company continues to deliver, and with their battery as a service swap technology, they have a competitive edge in the market that will allow them to have that reoccurring revenue every single month. And that is what I love to see in a company. When a company has that passive ability to create income and they don't have to work for it, then that is what sets them apart from other companies, and that is what is going to lead to NIO's domination in the future. Cathie Wood believes that the autonomous networking of electrical vehicles and robots is going to be a disruptive $7 to $9 trillion industry. And now if NIO are to capitalize in this, in the biggest market cap in the world, and they are able to break a small portion of that pie or even become one of the leaders like Tesla, then this is going to be amazing for the shareholders of NIO, and that is another reason why I am so bullish on this company. Cathie Wood believes that as for every single doubling of units produced in companies such as NIO, we will actually see a 28% decline in cost production. So guys, this makes me super bullish on NIO, even more conviction, because as we start to ramp up that production and we start to double those delivery numbers, then guys, NIO is going to see a pullback of 28% in their cost decline. So that is going to allow us to capitalize, and it's going to allow the revenue for NIO to increase so that we will hit that profitability sector even quicker. And once that happens, guys, and Wall Street catch on that this stock is going to go to the moon, I can't wait to be sat here rubbing my hands together with all the money that I have just made. NIO continue to expand not only in their electrical vehicle dominance, but they also have NIO houses, a NIO club, and guys, this is all the expansion of the NIO brand, because NIO are building a not just an EV company, they are building a brand presence, a lifestyle, and a company that builds a lifestyle will be a successful company. I could not be more excited for the deliveries to come out after markets close tomorrow. We will have to wait and see what happens, and then I will be able to update you guys on this channel once we do get those earnings released. So do be sure to smash that subscribe button below and join us so I can get that information to you guys as soon as we have had the bell close. Now, I am excited either way. If we do see any pullbacks in the share price, then guys, I'm going to be seeing this as a great dipping and buying opportunity for me to add more shares for the long run, because I believe that this company are the future, and I believe that this is going to be one of the biggest players in my portfolio moving into the coming decade. I am a long-term investor and I am not worried about this short-term noise. I hope that you guys did find some value in this information. My price target for NIO at the end of this year still remains above $150. I can't wait to see what this company does moving into the next year ahead. If you did make it this far, I just want to say thank you for your continued support. Hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you back on my channel for some more content on investing soon. Ciao.